1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. From here to here, from here to here, 21 in the middle. You count here in the middle. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Right here. Here the camshaft position, locking tool. Right here, the locking tool. That's where you put the locking tool right here to stop the camshaft from moving. I'm waiting for the part, so right now I'm just doing it by hand. Put piston top dead center, and you can see here the locking tool goes here and goes here. From what I'm seeing, this should be the timing. If there's anything else